Are you planning a trip to Athens, Greece? Whether it's your first visit or your fifth, here are 10 unforgettable things to do in and around the city. From ancient ruins to island escapes. And trust me, number 2 is a hidden gem most tourists completely miss. Alright, let's kick things off with one of the best ways to experience any city, the food. Athens is packed with mouth-watering street eats in traditional tavernas. Whether you're into gyros, spanakopita, fresh feta, or sweet treats, you're in for a serious flavor trip. If you can hop on a local-led food tour, they'll take you to hidden gems you probably never find on your own. And trust me, the honey and olive oil here are on another level. Definitely grab some to bring home with you. Now at number 9, we got the day trip to Hydra or Aegina. If you've got an extra day in Athens, do yourself a favor and hop on a ferry to one of the nearby islands. Hydra is like stepping into a dream. There are no cars, just cobblestone streets, little cafes by the harbor, and yes, donkeys instead of taxis. It's peaceful, charming, and totally unique. Or if you're short on time, Aegina is even closer, and it's famous for its pistachios, some of the best you'll ever taste. It's got relaxed beaches, local tavernas, and a super chill vibe that's perfect after a few busy days in the city. And if you've already been to Athens, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your favorite spot. There's just so much beauty packed into this place, from the ancient ruins to the cozy little corners that most tourists miss. Now at number 8, Mount Lycabettus views. If you're chasing the best view in all of Athens, look no further than Mount Lycabettus. It's the highest point in the city, and the view from the top is absolutely breathtaking. You can hike it if you're up for a little adventure, or take the cable car if you'd rather sit back and enjoy the ride. But here's the real magic. Go around the sunset time. As the sun dips behind the hills, the entire city starts to glow. The Acropolis lights up in the distance, and the Aegina Sea shimmers beyond the skyline. It's quiet, stunning, and a perfect break from the busy energy of the city below. Bring a camera, bring a snack, maybe even a little wine, and just soak it all in. Alright, this next one is super easy to miss, and that's kind of what makes it so special. Tucked right behind the Acropolis is this tiny little neighborhood called Anafiotika, and walking into it feels like you just stepped onto a Greek island. The houses are all whitewashed with pops of blue, little winding alleys, plants growing up the walls, and cats just napping in the sun like they own the place. It's quiet, calm, and honestly, it feels like you found a secret spot the city forgot about. It's not a place to check off a list. It's a place to wander, take your time, snap a few photos, and just enjoy how peaceful it is. Most people rush right past it, but you definitely shouldn't. Now at number 6, this is hands down one of my favorite experiences near Athens. Just about an hour's drive from the city, you'll find the temple of Poseidon, sitting right on the edge of a cliff, looking over the Aegean Sea. It's cool during the day, but if you can, go for the sunset. The sky turns orange and pink, the temple glows in the light, and the sun just melts into the water. It's calm, it's beautiful, and honestly, it's one of those moments that just sticks with you forever. Bring a jacket, maybe a snack, and just chill out while the view does its thing. It's peaceful, not too crowded, and it's 100% worth the trip. Coming in at number 5, this is the perfect way to wind down after a long day of exploring. Grab a seat at one of Athens' rooftop bars and just take it all in. The Acropolis lights up at night, and the view is seriously unreal. There are a bunch of great rooftop spots in the city center. A for Athens is a popular one, but honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. The vibe is super laid back, the drinks are solid, and the views are straight up magical. Whether you're sipping a cocktail or just grabbing a coffee, it's the kind of place where you can kick back and relax and really feel the city around you. Coming in at number 4 is Monastiraki Flea Market. And if you like to shop or just explore unique spots, this place is a must-see. You'll find everything from handmade leather sandals and vintage vinyl to quirky antiques and one-of-a-kind souvenirs. Every shop feels like a little adventure. The area is full of energy, music playing, delicious street food on every corner, and tons of local color. grab a snack, browse the stalls, and just enjoy the vibe. It's one of those places that really lets you experience Athens, Greece. At number 3, we've got the Acropolis Museum. And honestly, even if you're not usually into museums, this one's worth your time. It's super modern, really well laid out, and actually built right over the ancient ruins, which you can see through the glass floors as you walk around. It does an awesome job telling the story of the Acropolis, so when you visit the real thing later, you actually know what you're looking at. Oh, and bonus, it's air conditioned, which is a total lifesaver during those hot Athens afternoons. Coming in at number 2 is Plaka, and this place is straight out of a postcard. It's one of the oldest neighborhoods in Athens, and it's got that timeless charm you can't fake. Think cobblestone streets, colorful flowers spilling off balconies, and little cafes tucked into every corner. The pace here is slower, and that's kind of the magic. Grab a coffee, wander without a map, stop for some gelato or baklava, whatever feels right. This is the kind of place where you don't need a plan. Just explore, take it all in, and enjoy the vibe. And finally, at number 1, the Acropolis. No surprise here, it's the crown jewel of Athens, and honestly, it lives up to every bit of the hype. Standing up there high above the city with the Parthenon behind you and all of Athens stretched out in front, it's one of those moments that just hits different. Try to go early in the morning or later in the afternoon when the light is golden and the crowds thin out a bit. This is what everything else leads up to. The history, the views, the feeling, it's the most iconic spot in Athens. We hope this helped you plan your trip to Athens, Greece, and maybe even inspired a few new stops along the way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Barjack's travel video.